Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Maua. Myself Nimisha Mehta. We have started in our English subject textbook grammar, writing skill, and we have finished in our last lecture essay and paragraph. Today let's start our letter writing. Do you know two types of letters? Informal and formal letter. First topic, you visited a photography exhibition held in an exhibition hall or art gallery of your city town. Write to your friend about it elaborately. So here first we have to start with address. Do you know? Rutul Vasani 5 Param Yug Apartments, Memnagar, Ahmedabad, and we have to write date. Then we start salutation to whom we write, our friend. I was extremely happy to read about the Rangoli competition held in your school and your participation in it. Congrats for winning a prize in it. I would also like to share a pleasant experience with you. Last Saturday, I, along with my 3 friends, visited a photography exhibition in the art gallery of our city. I have taken to photography recently and feel that it is a good hobby to be developed. Since I got a 16 MP camera as a gift from my uncle from the US, I have been taking photographs of people and landscapes. Since I want to pursue photography as a hobby, I got this exhibition as an opportunity to get close to the intricacies of photography. As many as 150 photographs on different subjects were on display. The subjects included wildlife, landscapes, natural elements, portraits, sports, travel, underwater living and non-living objects, humor and so on. There were many unusual photographs too. I was extremely happy to find that they were all snapped with great care. Enough consideration was given to subjects, light focus and mood. Some of the stills were so nicely photographed that I thought they were full of life. For the first time, I realized that it is not the technical knowledge, clicking and focusing that makes a good photograph, but it must appeal to the one who views it. Almost every photograph had something to unfold to me. I was greatly motivated by looking closely and keenly at them. The visit proved to be very inspirational to me and I returned with heart enriched. So it is a content of this letter. I would send some photographs clicked by me. Affectionately yours, Rutul Vasani. Those who return the letter write down their name. Okay? You can write yourself also as per topic. Next, report writing. Your school took out a rally to bring about awareness among people about saving water. Students prepared some slogans. They also made placards displaying tips to prevent water wastage. Prepare an exhaustive report in about 150 words. So here I given that report. Rally pleads people to be water wise. On December 30, 2013, Srimati PBD Joshi High School took out a rally in Maninagar area to bring about awareness among people to save water. The school had taken the permission from the nearby police station beforehand. So a police van was kept ready to go along the route with the rally. Almost 180 students joined the rally. The staff, teaching and non-teaching, was on toes to make the rally orderly and impactful. The councillor of Maninagar area flagged off the rally from the school premise at 8 am. Students had prepared handouts reflecting tips and managed saving water. The students also had banners, placards and posters. The slogans on placards were quite influential and motivating. They read, "Save water today, it will save you later." Don't let the water run in the sink, our lives on the brink. Put a stop to the drop, save water, secure the future, and so on. Students were shouting slogans, and some of the enthusiastic ones crept into the houses on either side of the street, distributing the handouts. They were also holding some posters displaying pictures and slogans like sentences about conservation of environment by conservation of water. It took about 4 hours to move about through the streets of Maninagar area. Those who witnessed endorsed their support silently or loudly. The rally was thus a grand success. Next topic is notice writing. Prepare a notice inviting students to join reuse, reduce, recycle rally. Mention specifically to come having prepared some placards, posters, reusable objects, etc. December 14 students, our school has planned a rally on December 27. School will provide t-shirts and caps with slogans. The rally will be flagged off by the mayor of our city at 8 am. You are supposed to prepare placards, posters and slogans for the rally. Those who have prepared innovative posters, slogans and placards will get prizes. Those who want to contribute as volunteers can enroll their names to their class teachers. Who write this notice from our school? Head boy. So write down head boy, head girl name and Mount Carmel school. Okay, your choice. You write also yourself. Okay, do more and more revision as per writing skill. From out of 2 compo, I ask one letter, one notice. Okay, stay safe, stay safe.